What's up, everybody? It's your favorite cook back again. I ain't gonna call myself no chef, but I can cook. And today we finna throw a little something on the pit. This ain't no how-to today, but it's just vlogging my little barbecue today. And we got some good old pork chops here. I marinated them last night. Some pork chops, and up under the pork chops, we got some baby back ribs. And I marinated them in some clods marinade. Got me some chicken wings over there. Marinated them too. So they gonna be real good. Cheating a little bit today. I got me some already made hamburger patties. Some bacon and cheddar. Bacon and jalapeno. Oh yeah, it's cheddar too. Bacon, jalapeno, and cheddar in the patties. So we're finna go out here and get this pit fired up and get this food going. You dig? Good morning, Lucy girl. What's up, Lucy? How you doing today? You got pee-pee? Come on, let's go pee. Come on. Come back here with me and get this pit. Come on. Me and Lucy up early this morning, everybody else asleep. I hope y'all heard me in the first clip. Cause I was trying to be kind of quiet cause everybody's still asleep. Up early this morning so we get this meat started. Go get this pit. What you doing, Lucy? Trying to find you a spot, huh? Go ahead and get this pit. What's up, Bo? What's up, boy? Can't get my camera. What's up, Mojo? It's Mojo, y'all. What's up, Mo? And then we got big Polo over here. What's up, Polo? Say what's up. Get up. Say what's up. What you jealous, Mo? Dang, you can't get my camera on. Calm down. Sit down. Stop all that. You don't have to act crazy. It's gonna be to knock your water over. Get the food bowl way over here. We're gonna get this pit, y'all, and get started. I'll be back with y'all later. All right, y'all, we got all the old coals cleaned out the pit. And guess what? I didn't have no lighter fluid. So I'm finna show y'all old method of how to start charcoals with lighter fluid. Without lighter fluid. So y'all get a lot today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stick around. Just keep on watching Big Hurt. Y'all gonna learn some stuff. All right, so we got the coals down in there. We got some coals in the firebox. And we got the that's a paper towel on top of them. Now we're gonna spray the paper towel with some cooking spray. Spray it down real good. You just gotta soak it, but just so you have some grease on it. Alright. We're gonna get our match. Strike a match while I got the camera. I broke my tripod, y'all. Gotta get me a new. I'm at, bro. Just start the paper towel burning like that. That's how I catch up. Watch how I catch up. All right, we back out here at the grill. Got it smoking real good. Let's cool it off a little bit. We finna throw these burgers on there. Cool it down just a little bit. Good with these burgers. Yes, sir. Ooh, here up. Pull this fire kick up. It's hot. Can't move too fast when you using one hand. Oh, we got them on there. Let them get nice and juicy. Yeah. All right. Got these burgers done. Last two to come on. Go get these pork chops and ribs and chicken. Give y'all a better little picture of. Ooh, yes sir. Yes sir. Go to how to get these chicken and ribs now. Got that old grill loaded up. Watch this here. Ooh, all that smoke. And you can't see the food. Got pork chops over there though. Chicken and ribs. Keep my smoke. Yeah. Yeah, y'all, I forgot to show y'all the process for these. This is my baked beans. But what I did, fried me up some bacon and some ground turkey. I got 2 cans of kidney beans, and I put a little accent, a little touch of Creole season, black pepper, some garlic and herb, and that was about it for the seasoning. And some barbecue sauce, some honey barbecue sauce, and a little raw honey. Mix it up real good, stick it in the oven. It's gonna be yummy. You heard? Chicken wings done. You heard me? Got them pork chops done, dog. Yes, sir. Them baked beans done, dog. What y'all know about that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. End result. Pork chop, chicken wing, potato salad, rib, mac and cheese, and baked beans. Big boy plate. And big heard them on the chicken. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Look at that ball over there. Is it good? Yes, sir. And make sure y'all subscribe. Oh yeah, tell them about your channel. Go ahead and plug your channel.
Yeah, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to RCB.Jordan channel. I'll be posting. I'm gonna be doing vlogs, challenges, pranks, and I already got some videos up, so y'all make sure y'all go look at them.
And what's the name of it again?
RCB.Jordan channel.
Go slow for the slow people.
RCB.
Go slow for the slow people.
I am going slow, man. RCB.Jordan channel.
Yeah. Y'all go check him out. And we out, cause we finna groove.